How did your involvement in extracurricular activities like being student council president at the Harker School help you in your entrepreneurial journey?
I think being on student council helped more than any other like thing I've ever done. I think our school had like a much more involved and hands-on student council than most other schools. So we would host like fundraisers or like events, or we would do like talent shows or whatever. Like we would be doing something like almost every week, and it was a lot of work. And the student council, when I was a senior, it was like 30 people, so you had to manage a lot of people, and you figure out like what everyone's priorities should be, and then like point them in the same direction. And I think that taught me a lot. And it was also a lot of hands-on work. It wasn't just like empty like management or like giving speeches. It was like we had to we had to hit this, like we had to fundraise 20K for like this Ukraine fundraiser we were doing, and like it had to be done. We had to find a way somehow. So we like tried everything we could. So student council helped a lot.